What is good, YouTube? I am MocaStayHot, and I thank you so much for checking out this week's video. Today, I am going to show you how I started the spring cleaning in my master bedroom. And I say started because, unfortunately, I was not able to capture everything that I accomplished on this day in this video, but you will see where I was going with it, and you will also see that I am going to put away these groceries because I just left the grocery pickup. I don't go in the store anymore. And please know the budget is in check, okay? I also like to take this opportunity to fill the containers that I'm getting low on. And I'm also going to show you how I dispose of my cooking grease because I've told you before that my home does sit on a septic tank. Now, I did do some super speeding through the kitchen and dining room areas for two reasons. One, because I have several videos of me cleaning those areas on my channel if you would like to check those out. And two, because I had a serious case of the dances. And yes, the dances are a thing because song after song, it was just right. And I could not be still. So I'm really glad I did some speeding through this video. I was doing way too much. Like now, I'm talking way too much, which is not something that I do. So I'm going to be quiet and do work. This room truly was the goal to do some spring cleaning in for this video. However, I just had to take care of our common areas first. So please know I got so much more accomplished than what you will see in this video. But a little fun fact about this footage is that it was an hour and 54 minutes long. So I wasn't letting this go to waste. I was giving y'all this video. Please make sure your post notifications are turned on though, so you don't miss my future uploads. I have so much more cleaning to do. Life. Vacuuming this bed, oh my goodness, I really didn't know how tedious this would be because my bed is made of some sort of fabric. I don't know what happens. Even though we have a mattress pad on the bed, those little balls get on there and it just drives me crazy. I thought the struggle was real there, but when I started doing my ceiling, the vacuum kept falling and oh my goodness. I now have a reason to preach to babe why I need a stick vacuum. It was around this point that my battery died, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video. I most certainly hope that you enjoyed watching and that you will stick around for more videos by subscribing to my channel if you are not already subscribed. If you dig this video, please do give it a thumbs up and share this video where you like to share videos. I also hope that you're having an amazing day today, on purpose, of course, and I'll be back to chat with you in my next upload. Ciao.